Breaking news. Peace talks in just 48 hours, but the world is watching a much bigger deadline. As the US-Iran ceasefire approaches February 21st, tensions are rising around the Strait of Hormuz, the world's most critical oil route. And now, India is emerging as a possible mediator. What does this mean for markets and your money? Welcome to Market Trend India. Let's start with West Asia. Former US President Donald Trump has said that peace talks with Iran could begin within 2 days. But the situation is far from stable. There is a ceasefire deadline coming up on February 21st, and markets are hoping tensions don't escalate again. The biggest issue right now is nuclear activity. The US wants a 20-year pause, but Iran is only agreeing to 5 years. And the real risk is oil. The US is already blocking Iranian linked ships. In response, Iran has warned that it could block key global routes like the Red Sea. If that happens, global oil supply could be hit and prices could spike sharply. For India, this is very important because India imports most of its oil. Any rise in oil prices means higher inflation, pressure on the rupee, and volatility in the stock market. However, Iran has said that India remains a friendly nation and has never been charged for passage. At the same time, India and US are getting closer. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Donald Trump recently had a 40-minute call discussing trade, energy, and security. Big announcement could be coming soon, and India may even play a role in mediation. Now coming to markets, the IMF has upgraded India's growth forecast to 6.5%. That shows strong resilience. Foreign investors are also turning positive with recent buying in the market. But at the same time, volatility has pushed out nearly 50 lakh investors from the broking system. There are also opportunities. Defense sector is growing faster with global spending hitting record levels. And with summer approaching, companies like AC makers and beverage players could see strong demand. Quick stock updates. LIC has announced a bonus issue. Railtel has secured major orders. Paras Defense has signed a long-term US deal. On the negative side, Vedanta has reported a plant accident, and some banking license applications were rejected by RBI. So overall, global tensions, oil prices, and big policy moves are all coming together. And for investors, this is a time to stay alert, not emotional.